Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have very good news that Casio W-86 is back in stock on Amazon, link in the description below, and we are going to have a look at the watch for a little and also compare it to the Casio F91W, and I'm going to tell you why I would say that this is a far better model, and also it is very interesting and nice for medium and small wrists. Now, if you're new to the channel guys and you are interested in watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, I would definitely recommend subscribing to our YouTube channel, like this video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description below. So guys, if you never owned a Casio W86, it is bigger than the Casio F91W. As you can see, it has a bigger case, so a bigger width, length, and also a bigger thickness, as you can see right here side by side. So as you might know, the Casio F91W is great for small wrists and medium wrists, just like mine for example. So I have a medium wrist, and as you can see, I would definitely wear the Casio F91W compared to more bulky Casio G-Shock watches. And here is the W86 on the wrist as well. As you can see, a very interesting presence. It looks very nice, a little bit bigger, but that is why I say that this is a great watch for medium and small wrists, because it actually looks good on your wrist, and also it has this very interesting design. So as you can see, there is an upgrade when it comes to the watch strap. As you can see, a very big difference. You have these 3 extra holes on each side, which are great if you wear it in the summer. And also the biggest difference is when it comes to the case size, so a bigger case, and also the light. So this is the light on the Casio F91W. As you can see, a lateral small light. And when it comes to the Casio W86, as you can see, it has the full light on the dial, so the entire dial is lit up. It has a very nice illuminator dial, so the electroluminescence is very visible on this watch. This is them side by side. As you can see, although the W86 is bigger, it doesn't wear a lot much bigger compared to the F91W, but it has a very interesting presence on the wrist, as you can see from the lateral, so from the side as well. This very interesting ergonomic strap, which I like a lot more compared to the one from the F91W, and I also prefer the light blue that is very near to green as well. So as you can see, very beautiful watch. So guys, this was a very short video. If you have or own the F91W or have been wanting the W86 for a while, you should definitely check the link in the description below because they have it in stock right now. And as you can see, it is a great watch. I've seen them go a lot in value. So for example, you can pick it up for $40 now on Amazon, but when it is out of stock on Amazon and other websites, there are people that sell them for $80 to $100. So you should definitely pick it at this price. So that was the video guys. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check the link in the description below, and I'm going to see you on the next video.